Oh, what's up, ADA gang? Welcome into Dapp Central, your home for everything blockchain and crypto. I am your host here for Reed, back from a much needed break here within the blockchain and crypto space. And in this particular update, I'm going to be briefly touching on ADA as well as Bitcoin and just briefly talking about the entire crypto market as it appears that the 2025 bull market is just about to take full swing. Now, I also want to talk about the channel and exactly what you guys can expect for the remainder of the year, as well as going into 2026, as I do plan on expanding what offers or what value I offer to the community. Now, before I do any of that, if it's your first time stopping by the channel, my goal is to help you find your footing here within the Cardano and Bitcoin ecosystems. More blockchain coverage to come as well. But that said, if you appreciate it, please smash that thumbs up on the way in. If you want more, consider subscribing. And if you have any questions, comments, or concerns, feel free to voice off down below. Now, I can't go any further before thanking everybody that's taken the time to reach out to me here, whether that's been via Discord, via Twitter, or via email. Also, YouTube comments. I mean, thank you, everybody. As a creator, what I do here is not easy. And from time to time, I have to take a break. I am, however, recharged and ready to go and motivated more than ever. So, again, thank you for the wonderful community here, the wonderful support, and people just taking the time to ask how I'm doing. I know that in this space, mental health is extremely important. And so, if you have not taken the opportunity to check in on somebody else that you know or love, I think that you should do that and that you probably don't realize how much they would actually appreciate that. All right, all of the thank yous and introductions out of the way. This past weekend, we're going to start off with Bitcoin. We've had three key bills getting passed. The first was the Genius Act. We also had the Digital Asset Market Clarity Act, followed by the Anti-CBDC or Central Bank Digital Currency Surveillance State Act, which, when you look at them all together, provide regulatory frameworks for stablecoins. That's the Genius Act. We also have a broader definition or clearer definition of what the SEC versus the CFTC is in charge of managing. And then third, we have the ability or essentially a rule to block a Federal Reserve CBDC. So these are all extremely positive, which is all tied together, right? And correlated to Bitcoin hitting a brand new all-time high of roughly 123K per Bitcoin. Now, top analysts do see Bitcoin rising even further, with estimates topping out at around 160K all the way to 200K. Now, that's not it. Not only is Bitcoin pumping, we're now starting to also see ETH dominance rising and ETH performing or outperforming Bitcoin. So, as a brief reminder, liquidity in the bull market typically starts with Bitcoin. That's currently at an all-time high, followed by that liquidity rolling over into ETH. And then after that, all into altcoins or more of the riskier plays. So the fact that ETH is now at an all-time high for this year, it's currently trading at roughly about 3,800, is very positive. However, it's got a little bit more to go, roughly about a 30 to 40% increase until we hit the prior all-time highs from the last bull market, which I believe are right around 48, maybe to $4,900. So again, a little bit of upside left on ETH before we really begin to see altcoins taking off and flying. However, ETH is currently outperforming Bitcoin, which is a really good sign of the early shift into riskier assets after profit taken from Bitcoin. Now, briefly talking about Cardano, again, this is mainly a Cardano-based channel. However, I will be expanding into other networks here as well. Stay tuned for that announcement. We do have the fact that Cardano has recently just wicked at the 89 cent to 90 cent zone. Now, this previously acted as resistance. This was back around May, and we dipped after that due to some war concerns with Israel and Iran, all the way back down to around 52 to 53 cents. We've since rebounded, blown straight through 60 cents, blown straight through 70 cents, and we're currently hovering at about 86 to 87 cents. Now, once we break past this zone, not financial advice. I see ADA quickly running up to $1 and then potentially retesting the highs from January of around $1.30. If we're able to break loose from there, I'm looking at price targets of anywhere around $2 to 250, and then from there, new all-time highs. Now, we also have a lot of projects which are continuing to build and showing really good price appreciation, with SNEC leading the charge here, the biggest meme coin in the Cardano ecosystem, officially partnered and now backed by IOG, the builders and developers of the Cardano ecosystem. We also have Strike Finance, the biggest derivatives, and I believe the only derivatives protocol right now in the ecosystem, doing extremely well. Shout out to their team for continuously working and developing. And then we have the new kid on the block, which is Flow Finance, essentially taking some of the market share here right now from LenFi, which the team has been a little bit quieter there on that front. However, Flow has taken the opportunity to jump in, communicate, and essentially grab a lot of liquidity. They've done extremely well. And I had an interview with Phil, their founder, or their head, I should say, about a month or two ago. So definitely make sure to check out the description down below. I'll leave the link to that. And in terms of what we can look forward to next, again, a lot of traditional institutional adoption coming in, new and fresh liquidity, ETFs being deployed. Of course, I'll keep you guys updated as those things develop. But what does this actually mean for you, right? As a holder? Well, if you haven't already started planning your entries, your exits, your take profits, it's probably the time to do that. We've waited around 3.5 years here. We've been creating content, waiting for this moment. It is just about to be here. And so you want to make sure to have all the tools, all the plans, and all the strategies that you need. Otherwise, you might have to wait until 2029 or potentially 2030. So you don't want to miss the boat. I don't want to miss the boat. And I'm trying to get back on camera in order to make sure that I keep you guys updated. And as always, if you've enjoyed a brief update like this, I would appreciate you if you could smash that thumbs up. If you want more, consider subscribing. It's great to be back, and I'll see you all in the next video. Cheers, everybody. Take care.